ikaw, pag hindi ka nagbayad, babalatan kita ng buhay! Ganon. Ulitin mo.
What she said.
Hindi. Lagyan mo ko
What
dun.
she said.
Hindi. Parang ganito. Hoy! Kining mo! Kung hindi ka magbabayad, tatadyak ako yung tuhod mo! Ganon. Kumanta siya. Kumanta siya.
Hey Prestige lovers! This is Sabi and Sophia. Abangan nyo kami dahil magla-live kami this 11/11 for Prestige International's 11/11 Grand Sale. Catch us and see your order prepared real time during the biggest grand sale of the year. At ito pa ang mga pasabog ng Prestige International! Buy one, take two, flash sale, shipping vouchers, discount vouchers, and 11/11 exclusive deals only for 11/11. Set your reminders now and kita-kita tayo dito sa Prestige exclusive for Prestige 11